Excited na ba kayo?
Yes!
It's gonna be short, it's gonna be simple and concise. I want you all guys to go home with so much excitement, with so much passion. Gusto namin paglabas nyo ng kuneta, nanggigigil kayo. Excited ka na ba? Yes! Number one, show them the slides. Everybody say, burn! Nakita mo ba ang burn? We're gathering pictures right now of those people, distributors and customers alike, na nag-lose na ng weight because of our burn products. Either burn meal, burn exercise, or burn products natin. Taking the burn 90 meal plan, doing the burn 90 exercise, taking the burn mate iced tea, live and burn slim, tsaka burn meal replacement shake. Guys, Facebook na, i-PM lang natin sa administrator natin yung before and after picture because we're creating a compilation ng mga before and after pictures natin sa burn para mas madali natin siyang mai-market. Okay po ba yun? Next. Very, very soon, I'm announcing a partnership with Swatch. Okay, we call this AIM Global Swatch Club. In the future, may option na po yung product GC. Okay, this is next. Ayan, naka-exclusively design yung strap. May mga AIM Global, may happiness, may power, may abundance. Dalawang version po siya. Ngayon, kung ayaw mo ng products natin na GC, very, very soon, may option, pwede kang magkaroon ng AIM Global Swatch. And guys, may benefits yan. May benefits. Yung AIM Global Swatch Club. There will come a time because we believe in the power of time. Everybody say time. Next, we want to give you time. Time to see the vision ng company. Time to be mentored. Time to be excited and aspire much more. Time to share and time to give. Okay, next. Ayan, in short, we will give time to you. Pag nag-avail ka ng AIM Global Swatch Club, magkakaroon ka ng mga special privilege. Kunwari sa mga big events natin, nasa harapan kayo. Okay mo ba yun? Kunwari kung taga-province kayo, taga-Cebu or taga-Davao, pag pumunta kami sa inyo, kunwari nagpunta ako ng Davao, merong breakfast with Doc Ed. Pag pumunta si Sir Francis sa Cebu at naka-swatch ka, in Global Swatch Club ka, may lunch with Sir Francis Miguel. Kunwari pumunta si Sir John Aspirin sa Baguio, and naka-swatch ka, may dinner with John Aspirin. And then, since naka-swatch club ka, pagka meron tayong mga outreach program at gusto mo mag-participate, priority ka rin. Okay po ba yun? So now you have the time to see the vision ng company, time na mag-mentor ka at ma-mentoran ka, time to see how to be excited and to aspire so much more, time to give and to share your time towards other people. Now you have more time with AIM Global Swatch Club. Excited ka na ba? Very, very soon ilalabas natin to. So ihanda mo na yung mga product GC mo. Kasi yung iba, pag kumikita na ng sobra-sobra ang kapal ng product GC, now you have an option, another innovation by AIM Global. Okay po ba yun? Next slide, please. Sampler pack. Everybody say sampler pack. Okay, nakaprepare na ba yung mga staff? Okay, mga staff nakaprepare na? Okay, guys? We're launching very, very soon yung tinatawag na AIM Global, Natural Essentials Sampler Pack. Ano po yun? Kasi yung iba, nakita namin yung sabon, hinahati-hati. Tapos pinagsasample. Tama. So, gumawa na kami ng sampler pack. Okay, namimigay kami ngayon, 200 lang po yan yung mabibigyan. I-share nyo. Okay? Next. Masyado na excite. It has 6 mini bars. Ayan na, na-excite na masyado. Okay? Huwag niyo ibabato, baka tamaan sa mukha. Guys, walang magbabato. Walang magbabato, abot-abot na. Abot-abot na, ayan. Ala, dinumog na. Dinumog na, eh. Halatang hindi naliligo. Halatang hindi naliligo. Listen up, listen up. Obvious na obvious. Ang malakas mag-reveal ng soap. Maganda ba yung soap natin? So, imbis na yan, nabibili ka, hahati-hatiin mo, eto, hati-hati na. 6 minibars. Meron siyang maliliit, 6 minibars sa loob ng sampler pack. It's 250 pesos. At least may mabibigyan ang anim na customer na in the future pwede mag-order sa'yo. Maganda o napakaganda? Siyempre, lahat ng products natin may points. Next, meron siyang 60 commissional points. Next, meron siyang points, 0.26 positional points. Next, unahan mo ako, pare ko. Good news, guys! This will be available sa head office branches at BCOs nationwide. Kailan? August 25, this coming Tuesday. Excited ka na ba? So maglalabas kami ng promo. Kunwari, bumili ka na sa katutak na sabon, libre na yan para may pang-sample ka. Okay na okay? Next. Okay, that's your sample pack. Next, please. Eto na ang Korea promo! Gusto mo na bang makita ang bahay ni Jung Jang Jun? Next. Guys, good news. Our very first Korean 3 promo. Eto na ang requirements. Let's show them. Number 1, kinakailangan meron kang 6. Listen. 6 new direct. 6 na direct. Okay? Na itong 6 na direct, kinakailangan at least may 5 personal or group reorder points. Am I clear? Number 1 yun. Number 2, 12 points personal reorder, burn products only. Okay? Yung 5 personal or group points reorder, burn products only din yun. And then we need 18 new pairs. Dali lang. Tapos yung new direct apparel and new pair should be Philippine Global Packs only. This would start August 25, bukas, up to November 13. So bukas na, mag-incode na ng burn, buong grupo at saka personal. Are you excited about this? Guys, masarap sa Korea, lalo pag may snow. Marami tayong mapupuntahan doon. Siyempre, gusto namin, pag loyal ka, kasama ka namin sa Korea. So mag-incode na bukas ng burn products. Next, we'd like to give you some, there are some policies, lalagay natin yan sa Facebook, gagawa tayo ng posters, so all of you can read all about it. Okay po ba yun? Next, we have some teaser. Okay, let's watch this very short teaser. Are you excited about AIM World? Everybody say AIM World. Kaya ngayon, ang sign natin, ganyan na. W. Okay, AIM World. Doc, what is AIM World? AIM World is the online division of AIM Global. Okay? Excited ka ba rito? Yung iba hindi alam. Bakit? Let me ask you this. Meron ka bang grupo outside the Philippines na yung grupo mo walang office doon o walang BCO o walang branch? Meron ba?
Yes!
Countries like US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, buong Europe, some parts in the Middle East, marami na tayong members doon. Tama o tama? We call this the unserved markets. Hindi natin maservisyohan. Kayo yung nagsaserve. Paano yung sinaservisyohan? Applying. Taga-Italy ako. Papadala ko ng 100 paying. Western Union. Dumarating. Tapos ibibili ng products. Ikaw pa yung nagpapadala. Tama o tama? Minsan nagpadala, kinati yung kamay, nagalaw. Nangyayari hindi. Kaya pag nag-follow up yung nagpadala, who you? Hindi na kilala, in-unfriend na sa Facebook. Minsan, pag pinadala naman, nakuhold sa customs. Kasi hindi registered yung product. Nangyayari hindi. Guys, good news. We have the solution for that. And it's called AIM World. Doc, ano ba ang AIM World? Next. Our flagship product muna. Dito ako excited na excited. Our flagship product with AIM World is called iProtect 24/7. Okay, Doc, ano ang iProtect 24/7? Parang C24/7 yung logo. Kasi yan ang kauna-unahang product natin sa AIM World. With AIM World, meron siyang carrier necklace. Meron siyang necklace. Hindi po yan yung product. Carrier lang po siya ng iProtect. Okay, next. iProtect 24/7. Yan po yung itsura niya. Next. It is a Japanese technology, Japanese invention, made in US. Naka-double patent po sa US. Pag ang product, may isa kang patent, malupit niyan. Pag naka-double patent, sobrang ganda, sobrang lupit niyan. Are you excited about this? May ibang products na walang patent. Tayo naka-patent. Not only in US, but worldwide. Doc, ano ba yung nagagawa ng Japanese technology? 30 years. 30 years of solid research and laboratory tested. Meaning may proven effect siya. What is this? It's first in the world. Everybody say first. Hindi po siya supplement. Next. It's not a supplement. It's not a beverage. It's not cosmetic. It's not any service. It's not a telco product. It's the first in the world na gantong uri ng product. It's a new category. Everybody say new category. Ano ibig sabihin, Doc? We created a new category. That's why we called ourselves category creator. Hindi tayo gumawa ng panibagong supplement. Hindi tayo gumawa ng panibagong cosmetic or beverage. Ibang klaseng product po ito. Walang katulad, unique na unique. Pag ang product po, category creator, nauna ka dyan, malakas ang impact niyan. Malakas ang benta. And those people who would position themselves early on to this kind of opportunity, they would benefit the most. Are you ready to learn what iProtect is? iProtect, it's a new category. Next. Ano nagagawa niya? Ayan. It's an antibacterial and antiviral airborne force field. Ano ginagawa niya? Next. Pag suot-suot mo siya, pag na-activate na yan, ayan, meron pang konting cartoons. Parang may kamukha. It will provide you a 2 meters, 1 to 2 meters force field against bacteria and viruses. Unique o unique na unique? We are exposed to many bacteria, we are exposed to many pathogens, to many viruses, kaya ka nagkakasakit. Bukod sa mahina yung katawan mo, exposed ka pa sa environment na hindi malinis, punong-puno ng microbes, ng germs, ng bacteria and viruses. The good news with this, it emits an invisible fume, 1 to 2 meters. Before the bacteria or the virus gets to you, it dies within seconds. Power o power ka power? Kunwari, biglang naglalakad ka, o may ka-meeting ka, o sumakay ka ng aeroplano, o nasa school ka, o nasa bus ka, may katabi ka, o 2 seats away from you, may ubo, may pneumonia, may TB, may Pseudomonas. Naubuhan ka. Yung bacteria, bago umabot sa'yo, it dies within seconds. Okay po ba yun? Tignan mo yung katabi mo. Kunwari yung katabi mo may virus, may SARS, may MERS, may influenza, may coronavirus, inatsingan ka. Di ba suminga sa panyo, umabot sa'yo yung sipon. May mga droplets in air na may virus. Bago umabot sa yung virus, it dies within seconds. Power na power na power! New product, new category, next. Good thing with this, sige, bilisan natin. Ayan, ilalagay mo lang sa loob yung Eye Protect, isasara mo. The good news is that, yung power ng Eye Protect hanggang 60 days lang. So after 60 days, bubuksan mo siya, itatapon, bibili ka uli, lalagay mo uli doon. So may repeat order. Pag may repeat order, may repeat business? Pag may repeat business, may repeat income? So bibili uli yung downline, o bibili uli yung customer. The good news with this, next, the great thing about this, kami po ang magdi-deliver door-to-door in 200 countries worldwide. So lahat ng downlines mo sa US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, buong Europe, lahat ng mga bansa na members nila doon, sabihan mo na about AIM World. Kami ang magdi-deliver door-to-door, 200 countries worldwide, credit card payment online, PayPal payment online, Western Union payment, kami na rin po ang tatanggap. Okay po ba yun? Para ang gagawin mo na lang, magma-market ka na lang. Next. Good news, second, tsaka third product ng AIM World, ginagawa na namin, nasa pipeline na. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng products ng AIM World, puro online. Hindi kinakailangan ng product registration sa mga bansang gusto nating pasukin kasi hindi naman siya nilulunok. The good thing with this, sinasabit mo lang, it's a wearable technology. So yung mga ilalabas nating products sa AIM World, hindi na kinakailangan i-register. Kaya yung pagmamarket natin, lumaki na lumaki yung market. Okay, next. Ground floor, worldwide opportunity. Pambuong mundo. Hindi tayo nakukulong doon sa mga bansa kung saan lang tayo legal. Kundi doon sa mga bansa kahit na wala pang opisina, walang BCO, pwedeng-pwede ang AIM World. Next. I want to leave you with two words. Pakita mo na, bossing. Stable and pioneering. Usually, you cannot combine these two words. Everybody say pioneering. A lot of people are excited about pioneering. But the major risk about pioneering is the stability. Bago yan. Hindi natin kilala na may-ari. Bago yan. Baka yung product, sablay. Bago yan. Baka yung marketing plan, mag-overpay. Bago yan. Baka yung may-ari, biglang isara after 2 years. That's the risk of a pioneering company. It's always unstable. Kasi nga hindi mo sila kilala. The good news with AIM World, we're pioneering globally sa buong mundo, worldwide. Ground floor opportunity, but we are backed up by a 10-year-old stable company called AIM Global. So yung mga prospect mo sa Italy, sa Spain, sa Switzerland, sa Netherlands, pag tinanong nila, teka, bagong company, startup, baka magsara ka agad yan. No, it's not a startup company. It's backed up by a 10-year-old global company, exposed and legal into 13 countries. Okay po ba yun? Stable na, pioneering pa. So pinagsama natin yan with AIM World. Excited ka ba dito? So sino ngayon ng market natin? Let me leave you with this story. Many years ago, 2003 to be exact, there were 4 gentlemen headed by Mark Zuckerberg with fellow schoolmates Andrew McCollum, Chris Hughes, Dustin Moskovitz in Harvard. That was the year 2003. They created a simple website called FaceMash. FaceMash. What happened? Tinest nila sa Harvard. Pumutok. It's a social networking site about pictures whether you're hot or you're not. After a few years, next, this particular website, in-upgrade nila ang tawag, thefacebook.com. Ginamit ito ng around 4 to 5 universities in the Boston area, many schools in US, many colleges in Canada. That was year 2004. Afterwards, next, what happened was it became a global phenomenon. Today, Facebook is massively worldwide in terms of expansion. Halos lahat ng tao sa buong mundo may Facebook na. Tama o tama? And because of that, yumaman yung company. Nag-initial public offering, it becomes one of the highest trend nowadays. Marami nang gumaya sa Facebook, but still, Facebook remains to be number one and the most valuable in terms of worth and money na social networking site. It's now one of the biggest trends. It's actually a billion-dollar industry social networking site. Question, sino po ang yumaman sa Facebook? Yung subscriber ba o yung company? The company. They created millions and millions, if not billions of dollars in a short period of time. Simply because they maximize the trend, which is the social networking. Now, 2005 here in the Philippines, next. 2005 here in the Philippines, a company was called AIM Global. Founded by yours truly, Ed Cabantog, with my partners Francis Miguel and John Aspirin. 2005, we created Alliance in Motion Global or AIM Global. September of 2005. Guys, para sa kaalaman nyo, September of 2005, incorporated na po tayo sa SEC. Tumatanggap na po tayo ng pay-in at nagpe-pay out na rin po tayo. So next month, September, 10 years old na po ang AIM Global, operationally speaking. 10 years na nagpe-pay out ng daily. Now, from 2005 up to this very point, 2015, next, we are legally present into 13 countries. Philippines, Singapore, Taiwan, Hawaii, Hong Kong, UAE, Kuwait, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Togo, Kenya, 13 countries this year of 2015. Now, what will happen within the next few years? Look at this. Within the next few years, AIM World will massively be promoted into 200 countries worldwide. There will come a time, pag tinanong ko kayo, ngayon pag tinatanong ko yung mga leader, kamusta grupo mo? Grabe Dok, yung grupo ko sa Cavite, pumapare sa grupo ko sa Laguna. Tapos yung grupo ko sa Cebu, ang lakas mag-reorder. Mataas yung Unilever's Thursday po dahil sa reorder ng mga taga-Batangas. That's today. A few months, a few years from today, pag tinanong ko kayo, kamusta grupo mo? Dok, grabe yung Italy, nagpe-pay rin sa Spain. Tapos may weekend pa ako sa US saka sa Canada. Ang lakas mag-reorder ng Russia. Yung mga taga-Brazil addict sa iProtect. Can you envision that? Because it will happen. It will happen, guys. This is the future. 3 of the biggest trend pinagsama-sama natin sa AIM World. Next, what are the 3 biggest trend? Health, it's a billion-dollar industry. Internet, it's another billion-dollar industry. Home-based business, another billion-dollar industry. This is way bigger than the social networking trend. Because these are 3 billion-dollar industries combined with AIM World. Very, very soon. Guys, within 2 months, everybody say 2 months. Within 2 months, ilo-launch na natin ang iProtect with AIM World. Excited ka na ba? Kaya ako laging puyat. Kaya lagi ako naka-Viber. Ka-Viber ko na yung mga leaders sa Australia, New Zealand, Italy, Canada, US. Kinukulit na ako mula nung makita nila sa YouTube yung ambush interview sa akin sa Mr. Parks. Alas 4 ng madaling araw, may nagtanong, Doc, update naman, binidyo ko. Sabi ko, uy, for training purposes lang yan ha. Good news, after a few hours, uploaded na. Alas 4 ng madaling araw sa coffee shop, nagpo-promote ako, sinasabi ko kung ano yung mangyayari. Because of that, ang dami ng views. More than 1,000 views in separate YouTube channels. Ang dami na nag-aabang. Not only Filipinos, but foreign networkers alike. Excited ka na ba?
Yes!
AIM World will revolutionize the online MLM industry. Tuloy ka sa AIM Global, tao-tao, pag may ilaw, pag may kuryente, pag buhay pa yung kausap mo, kausapin AIM Global. Pag uwi mo sa bahay, wala ka ng taong kausap, Facebook. Online, AIM World naman. Panalo, panalo, panalo. Watch out for the website that will come up, aimworld.now at aimworld.express. Abangan niyo yan, lahat ng updates, even sa Facebook natin, ilalabas natin doon. Are you excited? Yes! Next, everybody say loyal! Loyal! Loyal ka ba? Yes! A lot of people are asking, Doc, kanino ba ako dapat maging loyal? Let me answer you with this. You should be loyal to your dreams. Everybody say dreams. Marami kang pangarap. Diyan ka maging loyal. Diyan ka maging loyal sa mga pangarap mo. Question, how do you achieve your dreams? Hindi ba through developing your people? Tama o tama? So bukod sa loyal ka sa dreams, dapat loyal ka rin sa grupo mo. Ano man yung pangalan ng grupo mo, maging loyal ka dyan. Now I want to mention some groups. Sabi nila, madami raw tao dito, DTA. Can you make some noise? Mahina pala DTA, Roy. Kinalabit ako, Doc, marami DTA. Can you make some noise? Pero mukhang mas marami ang AIM-1 Dragon. Can you make some noise? Parang puro babae. Sabi nila, meron daw dyan mga taga-TGX. Kaya na, umuwi niya. A lot of groups are present. Meron ba ng AIM-1 Brotherhood? Wala, ayaw na. AUB! Can I hear the AUB in the house? Unicorn Alliance! Puro onliners. Excited ba kayo sa AIM-World? Unicorn! There are lots of groups. Be loyal to your group. Loyal ka sa pangarap mo. Loyal ka sa grupo mo. Because these two factors will bring you into achieving your dreams. Now question, sino ba yung nagpe-pay out? Hindi ba yung company? Am I right? Be loyal to the company. Loyal ka sa group, loyal ka sa dreams, to the company that pays you out every day. There was this one interview by Dexter Yeager. Dexter Yeager is one of the best, if not the best networker around the world. He's been in the industry for the past 45 years. 45 years na nagne-network. Alam niyo ba kung ilang taon si Dexter Yeager? Ask me how. How old? Dexter Yeager is 82 years old. Ang nagmamanage ng network niya, hindi yung anak niya, yung apo niya na. And the guy is making $1.5 million every month. May nag-interview sa kanya, sabi sa kanya, how do you earn that much after 45 years? Ang sagot ni Dexter, be loyal to the company. Be loyal to your people. Be loyal to the vehicle that pays you out every day, every week, and every month. Kasi kung wala yung company, wala magpipay out. Tama, tama. So be loyal to your dreams first. Then to your group, then to the company that pays you out. Now with the thing that we've been doing for the past 10 years, giving you an opportunity, the best opportunity there is here in the Philippines and outside, so that you could market to as many people as possible. With other companies, pang Pilipinas lang. Tama, tama. Ibang company, product na product pa lang, alam mo, pang Pilipinas lang. Bakit? Juice. No offense. Paano sasali yung taga-US? Ang bigat nun. Sabihin mo ng entry level, 9,000, 10,000. Pag pinadala mo sa US, $200 freight charges. Mas mahal pa yung freight charges kesa doon sa value ng product. Tama o tama? With our innovation, I Protect 24/7 with AIM World, door-to-door delivery worldwide, credit card payment online. Question.